Okay, babes, so first we're going to start off with the Crayon Case Loose Leaf Wipes. These are my favorite wipes to take makeup off with. I just feel like not only does it get all the makeup off with one wipe, but it also adds moisture to your face. And here I'm just taking off these lashes, child, because I almost forgot. But yeah, I am wiping off this makeup like I was saying. It adds moisture to your face while it's taking off that makeup, and they're cheap. They're like $6. Absolutely love it. All right, so now that we've got that all off our face, I'm going to go in with my Purity facial cleanser. Absolutely love this stuff simply because it is very, very gentle on my skin, like very gentle. I'm using this little brush that I got from my FabFitFun box. If you guys are interested in the brush, which I absolutely love, you can get some money off using that code that I just showed you guys. If you didn't see it, the code is Dalana. But yeah, I'm just going in with this little brush, and it is really getting in there. Instead of using my hands, I like to use the brush, and it just kind of helps. I zoomed in so you guys can see all of that makeup is just getting off. Yes, guys, make sure you get that makeup off. This next product is my MAC Mineralized Volcanic Ash. I feel like this is the staple in my skin, being as clear as it is. Absolutely love this stuff. This is like the only exfoliator that I use just because it is gentle. Also, it's volcanic ash, so it's like a sugar scrub almost, but it is amazing, guys. Amazing. Alright, so I went ahead and washed that exfoliant off in the shower. This is like my main ingredient, and it is water. Drink your water, ladies. It will go far with your skin. This is my Kiehl's Buttermilk Lip Mask because, as y'all can see, I am ashy. Listen, that skin is dry. And so, yeah, y'all, this is my robe that I also got in that FabFitFun box. If you guys have not seen that video, go ahead and check that out. I will have it linked down in the description box for you. Go ahead and check that out. All right, moving back to this face. So we're going in with the Witch Hazel. Absolutely love this. The reason why I use this is kind of like a toner to kind of catch anything that I may not have gotten once I got that makeup off of my face. So this will tell you if you have a clean face or not, because you will still have product on it if not. And as you guys can see here, this face is what? Clean. Okay, so we're going in with our Pond's moisturizer. I do use a series of moisturizers, so this is the first of the bunch because it's the thickest. So I like to go in with the thickest moisturizer first, and I'm putting that all over my face, just kind of rubbing it in, making sure that I'm getting all of my face, just really getting that in there. Yes, absolutely love this stuff. Next, I'm going in with my vitamin C serum. This is my Mario Badescu. I use this every other night on my face, and I just kind of put 4 drops in, over my face. Well, 5 really. Okay, 6. And I just kind of pat that in my face. And you're supposed to use this before you use your moisturizer, but like I said, I use a series of moisturizers, so I actually use this in between my moisturizers, and you'll see what I mean by that in a second. This is my second moisturizer. This is my Murad Hydrodynamic Moisturizer. Absolutely love this. It is very lightweight, but it is very, very moisturizing. Absolutely love this stuff. I use it morning and night. And as you can see, the other moisturizer I rubbed in, this one I am patting in to make my skin soft and supple. Just look at that glow. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so the last thing that I'm using is my Kiehl's Under Eye Avocado Treatment. And so I suffer from bags. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, you've heard me mention that. But this keeps my under eye very moisturized. It does not help with the bags just because mine is hereditary. It's not going anywhere. But yeah, so I'm just using my ring finger, which is your most delicate finger, because that area, I had a brain fart, because that area is the most sensitive on your face. You don't want to be tugging and pulling and all of that. So you just want to kind of just moisturize that. I'm also getting the whole eye, not just under eye, because we need that whole eye to be moisturized. Last is my Mario Badescu facial spray. I like to use the purple one, which is the lavender one, just because it is amazing and I love the way it feels. Look at that, y'all. Just look at how that makes my skin look. It is glowing, honey. It's the skin for me, okay? So that is it, guys. Now I'm going to sleep. Make sure you get your rest, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.